about our topic number 89, program number 3 of a structure in C language. So let's move forward. Structure. So in the previous video we have talked about the program number 2. Now in this video we are going to learn about the program number 3 of a structure. So let's look at. So syntax. As we have studied about the syntax that how to declare or create a structure in C language, so we need to use the struct reserve keyword for creating the structure. So I am using a struct reserve keyword and the structure name here. After this, you need to open the structure by open curly braces. Then data type you wanted to define for your structure, the variable name and data type and variable name. So how many times you wanted to declare? You can declare by your choice because it's your own defined data type. Okay. Then after that, I am closing this curly braces with close curly braces. Then you need to define here the variable declaration of the structure. If you want, this is an optional part. So you can declare the variable of a structure either here or in the main program. Okay. Then you need to terminate wait with the semicolon. This is the required part. Okay. So you can see here the example that I am creating a structure of employee. Employee is the name of the structure. So struct employee I am creating, then opening this curly braces, and in employee I am using a two variable, that is ID and nm, and nm is an array which is of the size is 50. So its index is starting from 0 to 49, goes up to 49. Okay. ID of a type integer and nm of a type which is an array of a type character data type it contains. Okay. Then after that I am closing this with close curly braces here, and I am declaring a two variable E1 and E2 which is of a type employee struct. So it can access, E1 and E2 can access each and everything of employee. Okay. And then after I am using this, I am terminating this semicolon, we can say I am terminating our structure that is through semicolon. This is the required part. Okay. Now let's look at the program number 3, which is very important program for the structure. So let's look at structure program number 3 in C language. So here is that program. So what I am doing here is that we are just creating our header file. So I am declaring our header file here, that is through hashtag include studio.h and hashtag include conio.h. So hashtag include studio means I am including the studio file here in the program, and hashtag include conio means I am including the conio file here. Studio stand for standard input output header file, and conio stand for control input output header file. So after the declaration of these two header file, I am creating our own data type, that is through a structure. So I am using the struct reserve keyword for creating the structure here. So struct student. So student is the structure name. So I am creating a structure of a student, and then after that I am opening this here, and in a variable I am using the enroll and C, CPP, Java. So actually C is what you are learning, and CPP means C++, and Java you all know about this thing. So actually I am creating our own data type of a student which contain enroll of long integer and this variable of float data type. Okay. Then I am just terminating our structure with this semicolon. After then you are seeing here that I am creating a variable x which is of a type, we can say which is of a type struct student. So x can access each and everything of student structure, means student data type. X can access each and everything of student data type, and student is our own data type which we have created. We can say user defined data type. It is not a primitive data type. Integer is a primitive data type. Float is a primitive data type. What student is a user defined data type that we have created. Okay. After this, I am opening the main function. You can see here. Then it means that main is going to return you empty value. That is why I am using the void. So main is not going to return you any value. Okay, because of this void. Void means empty. Then I am opening this main function. Then I am using the clr function, which is used to clear the screen. Then I am using the printf function. You can see here for printing the for printing these things. So that it comes onto the prompt of a C. Then again enter the student roll number is going to be printed on the screen. Then I am just going to take the user, we can say student enrollment number from the user. So user is going to give us the enrollment number, and I am assigning that value into the x dot e enroll. Means I am assigning the value into the x, which is a variable of a type student, as we have declared here. X is a variable of a type student, struct student, so it can access each and everything of this student data type. Therefore I am accessing x dot enroll, and in x dot enroll whatever the user gives, that is going to be stored there with the help of scanf, because scanf help us to accept a value from the keyboards. Therefore that is going to be stored in the x dot enroll, and in the similar way that is all going to be stored here. Okay, then I am just using the printf function to display these things, and in the similar way I am just displaying x dot enroll in a long integer, that is a double, and x dot c in a float value, x dot cpp in the float value, and x dot java in a float value. So this is a working of we can say the principle behind that x variable can access each and everything of the data type that we have created, or we can say user defined data type in a structure. So this is very interesting thing. So let's look at the output. So this thing is going to be printed, the user has given this number, and marks in the C, CPP and Java respectively is going to be entered like this. Then I am displaying all that thing here in this way with the help of a structure, with the help of our own data type. So this was all about the structure program number 3. So thanks for watching.